I'm Al Tompkins from the Poynter Institute. A couple of years ago, we and our partners trained about 300 drone journalists in order to help them to get their Part 107 license. Now, we're going to try to help drone photographers hone their photographic skills. If all you're doing is flying up and down and back and forth and trying not to crash and trying just to get the basic shots that you need in order to accomplish your assignment, this seminar is for you. Sometimes we get so caught up in flying high and flying fast and having fanciful moves that we forget why it is we're moving to start with. And there are actual reasons to add movement into your drone photography. One of the things that we'll be doing in this 4-part online series is to help you to think about what movements are useful in what situations, how to use the intelligent flight modes, how to think about composition and exposure, how to think about shutter speed, how to think about the basic movements that your drone is capable of achieving. All of those things are important in still photography and video photography, and they're critically important also in drone photography.